Rookie card. Oh, this is pretty dope. This is dope. So this is a die cut Ken Griffey Jr., one of my favorite players, so that's pretty awesome. Here's a Luis Severino. This Cal Riley is pretty dope, so you can see it's kind of alternate, it's kind of got red, but it's not short print. Here's another old schooler, Bob Gibson. Freddie Freeman. Dude, this guy was a beast. The Hawk, Andre Johnson, when I was a kid. Garrett Cole insert. So sometimes, I don't know about y'all, I love ripping cards, but they are expensive. They're a pain in the butt to sell, and I do get some buyer's remorse, so it's hard. It's exciting if you get a card that's worth a ton of money, but a lot of times you end up with like just, you know, a lot of junk in the set. So that was it, really, of this one. This is really old school person right here, Josh Gibson. All right. So that was one box of the Stadium Club. Here goes our next box. See if we get anything good. We got a Dylan Cease. That was about it out of that pack. This Chaz Chisholm, that one's pretty dope. See if it's a short print. Not a short print. Another thing too with the baseball cards is when the player balls out, that's the best time to sell the card. That's when it's at its maximum value. Oh yeah, Shohei Ohtani. That's a good one. Now that would have been awesome, more awesome if it was an auto, but it wasn't an auto. What do we got here? We got our master photo of the old school Stadium Club. Julio Rodriguez. All right, this Cody Bellinger. You can see this is orange. And then it's also a short print. It's out of $199, so that's definitely a good one. We got a couple old school Stan Musial, Ryan Sandberg. And then here's another Kyle Schwarber. That is another die cut. That's pretty dope. Got a Kyle Stowers rookie card, not a short print. We got an auto! We got an autograph! Brian Serven. I don't think he plays much, but it's still cool to get an auto. And the great thing is, this one's actually on the card versus like the sticker being autoed. So that's pretty dope. Hopefully that guy ends up being good, because then that can be worth something maybe down in the future. It's always fun getting autographs no matter what. Man, we got so many cards. Dave Winfield, pretty dope. I really like the cards overall. And then you got an Aaron Judge. The quality of the pictures are pretty dope on the Stadium Club. We got an auto, which is cool. So actually, Stadium Club has the best hits for autos out of all of them. All right, here we go. We got Top Series 1 from last year. We'll see if we have anything worthy of showing you. We have an Adley Russian rookie, Stars of MLB. We got a Bobby Witt Jr. It's variant, but it is not a short print. But we'll have to look that one up. Nothing else too worthy of sharing. All right, we'll go to our next pack. We got a Luis Robert, Stars of MLB. It's funny, we got one of the Home Run Challenge cards, but you can't use it anymore, so it's absolutely worthless because it's a year old. Top Series 1 has some dope autos, but a lot of the cards don't really... Francisco Lindor's having an amazing playoffs. We got a 1-2 punch card. Nothing else really worthy of sharing. Now this guy is having a banner year. Tyrese Skubal, probably the AL Cy Young winner. Bryce Harper, always a good one. Julio Rodriguez. This is pretty dope. It's a variant of Adley Rushman. It would have been more dope if it was a short print. Oops. Nothing else too crazy in that one. All right, a couple more packs. All right, this is fire. This is fire. We got a Mike Trout, Stars of MLB. Then we got a Shohei Ohtani, Stars of MLB Chrome. That was a good hit. That was a really good hit. Nothing else worthy of anything. All right. Aaron Judge, Stars of MLB. Anytime you get an Aaron Judge card, always good. We got a Ryan Sandberg. We got a Brandon Crawford patch card. So that's our relic. Patch relic card. Got another Bobby Witt Jr. That guy is amazing, fun to watch. All right, last pack. Do we have anything really good? I see something shiny. So we have a Bo Bichette. We got the league leaders. Is that a variant? Short print? Nope. And that's about it. So that was a lot of ripping, a lot of fun. We got one auto. It would have been more dope if it was anyone awesome. But we were ripping some cards, had a lot of fun. We put these on eBay, so if you're interested in these cards, just search for it on eBay and you might see it. See you next time. Peace!